Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. I'm about to make my Rubik's Cube that I purchased here. That's blank. Let me show you. And make it reflective. Let's see how that works. Let me clean this off. I need one blue, one red, one white, one yellow, blue and orange, and red and green. That's it. The sticker came in from my boxes. I don't know if you can see that. Gonzo Book V1. It says combining a mega mix with a Roman dodecahedron. It's like a blueprint design. It has dimensions, and then it has the models. And then the packaging is real nice too on the inside. So go to my Etsy store if you want one. It's not going to be cheap, but if you want one, go for it. Alright. So I'm going to need 1, 2, this much. Yep.
Listen, put on your red dress and slip on your high heels. I can only assume in the divorce it went all to you. Slide into your Mercedes, I sure look like a clown. Cause baby, what you put me through, I'm gonna show you. Tonight will be a hell of a night. No matter where you go, you took all my stuff with you. I just wanna let you know that used to be mine, 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 mine. You sure took it all tonight, and you took my last damn dime. It used to be mine, 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 mine. You sure took it all tonight, and you took my last damn dime. She made me look like a clown. She took our bedroom, made me look like a fool. I went for a swim, but she even took the pool. I can't believe it was all mine. You left me with nothing, boo-hoo. The courts gave everything to you. Tonight will be a terrible night, and many more to come. I just wanna let you know that used to be mine, 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 mine. You sure took it all tonight, and you took my last damn dime. It used to be mine, 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 mine. You sure took it all tonight, and you took my last damn dime. It used to be My. You sure took it all tonight, and you took my last damn dime. Come on. Come on. It used to be my. My. Yeah, yeah. My. Say my. Say my. Yeah. I wake up in the morning, gotta start my day, cooking up those grits in a special way. Boiling water, add that corn, it's about to get real. With some butter on the top, that southern feel. Give me that creamy texture, can't let it go. Cause when it hits my plate, you know how we roll. I love my grits, yeah, you know we're a match. Mix it with some cheese, feel that savory scratch. Give me my grits every morning, I'm glad. Can't start my day without my favorite retro fad. Got the stone ground vibes, gotta savor each bite. Savory or sweet, man, it feels so right. Egg is on the side, bacon cooking nice and crisp. Grits on my tongue, can't resist that bliss. Pour it on thick, this love won't quit. Every forkful got me feeling so lit. I love my grits, yeah, you know we're a match. Mix it with some cheese, feel that savory scratch. Give me my grits every morning, I'm glad. Can't start a day without my favorite fad. So bring me my grits, it's a love affair. In the southern kitchen, I'll always be there. I'm shining brighter, I'm here to stay.
I like it. It's good. Taking back my life, leaving you behind. You thought you'd won, but I'm still here.
I'll rise above, I'll conquer my
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, the Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.